everyone! I am the letter P. Let's hear my story.
One sunny morning, a colourful parrot named Penny, singing a cheerful song. Below, a playful panda was munching on a juicy pear. Nearby, a ripe pineapple sat under the tree, waiting to be shared. Penny the parrot flew down, and together with the panda, they enjoyed the fruits.
That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time! Hello, everyone! I'm the letter O. Let's hear my story!
One sunny day, Ollie the octopus was playing in the shallow water near the shore. He saw an ostrich running fast across the sandy beach and stopped to watch. Nearby, a strong ox was carrying a big basket full of juicy oranges.
That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time!